Hello students, how are you? Welcome to economics classes. I am Dharmit Singh. I am going to teach you what is economics. Okay, which type of chapters I have covered. You know very well in my previous video. In this video, already I have started supply chapter. In my previous video, I have discussed what is supply, what is law of supply, what is determination of supply, what is shift of supply. Each and everything I have discussed in my previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, then you will face little problem while understanding this video. Okay, don't forget to see my previous video if you understand properly. If you want to build your concept. Okay, so try to see my previous video. In spite of you are facing any problem, then you can comment me. Definitely I will solve your problem. Okay, and if you have faced any problem in my previous video, then you can also give SMS in my WhatsApp. Definitely I will help you. Okay, so please try to understand what is elasticity of supply. Okay, I'm going to discuss, and types of supply. How many types of supply I'm going to discuss it. Please see it. Types of elasticity. Types of elasticity. How many types of elasticity? I'm going to discuss it. Types of elasticity. First, perfect inelastic supply. What is perfect inelastic supply? Perfect inelastic supply. What is perfect inelastic supply? I'm going to discuss it. What is perfect? You know what is perfect? It means change नहीं हो रहा है. It means never change. Means perfect, no change in supply. Okay, for example, this is ropes. ये रस्सी है जो, ठीक है, दिस इज रोप्स, रस्सी है. इसको टांगने से जो है, ठीक है, क्या होगा कि बड़ा नहीं होगा जो है, ना ही छोटा होगा जो है. दिस इज परफेक्ट इनलास्टिक सप्लाई, नेवर चेंज. ओके, इट विल नेवर चेंज. E इक्वल टू जीरो, मतलब टांगने से ना टने, पूरा इनलास्टिक, जरा सा भी साइज में चेंज नहीं आएगा. ओके, प्राइस इंक्रीजेस, continuity I am going to price increases, but never change in supply. Supply is zero. Price increases but supply is zero. No change in supply. Supply is totally zero. Okay, this is called perfect inelastic supply. It means what? प्राइस जो है कार का बढ़ते गया, लेकिन सप्लाई में कोई चेंज नहीं आया. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड परफेक्ट इनलास्टिक सप्लाई. रस्सी को टांगने से जो है उसका आकार में परिवर्तन नहीं होगा. ठीक है, या पेन है, इसको हम टांगने से इसके आकार में परिवर्तन नहीं हो रहा है. जैसे है परफेक्ट इनइलास्टिक, ये जैसे है वैसे ही रहेगा, बढ़ेगा नहीं, ना ही कम होगा. ठीक है, तो यानी प्राइस को हम बढ़ा रहे हैं लेकिन क्वांटिटी बढ़ नहीं रहा है, जैसे है वैसे ही रहेगा. तो दिस इज E इक्वल टू जीरो. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू ग्राफ. We know very well this is price and this is quantity. Okay, price is 10, quantity is 10. Clear? Price is 10 and quantity is 10. Price increases 10 to 20. Price increases 10 to 20, but never change in supply. Supply is same. क्वांटिटी इज सेम. ओके, यानी क्वांटिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. प्राइस बढ़ा रहे हैं, 10 से 20 किए, 30 किए, 60 किए, 90 किए, 100 किए, लेकिन क्वांटिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं, जीरो. ओके, नेक्स्ट, प्लीज टेक a screenshot. Oh. Two number. Relatively less. Relatively less. Relatively less. Okay, relatively less या इलास्टिक सप्लाई या relatively less इलास्टिक, relatively less सप्लाई या और इलास्टिक सप्लाई means elasticity of supply is less than 1. less or elastic supply, elastic supply. Clear? Elastic supply. Elastic supply means what? Relatively less or elastic supply is said to be elastic when the percentage change in quantity supplied of a commodity is greater than the percentage change in price. Is greater than the percentage change in price. Okay? It means what? EP is less than 1. EP is less than 1. EP is less than 1. So this is called relatively supply. How? Water. Example, water and salt. Okay. 3 number. I'm going to discuss. Please see the 3 number. I think you can see it. Relatively greater. Relatively greater. Relatively here is less, here is greater. Or elastic supply. Or elastic supply. Elastic supply means EP is greater than EP. Clear? In which type of goods? Luxury goods. What is luxury goods? You know very well. In previous video I have discussed AC, jewelry. Okay, AC, jewelry, costly car, costly houses, etc. These are luxury goods. Okay, so luxury goods. In luxury goods, relatively greater, yeah, or elastic. Unit elastic is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit elastic. What is unit elastic? Unit elastic is what? Unit means little change. Little change means necessary goods. Which type of goods? Necessary goods. Necessary goods or needy goods. What is necessary goods? We cannot survive without eating rice and रोटी एक्सेट्रा. राइस, रोटी, चावल और भात के बिना हम लोग रह नहीं सकते हैं. These are necessary goods. Okay, so necessary goods. What is necessary good? Rice. Okay, wheat. Clear? This is unit elastic. Next, five number. Here is little space. Perfect elastic. Perfect elastic. What is perfect elastic? I am going to discuss it. What is perfect elastic? I think here you are unable to see it. Okay, perfect elastic. What is perfect elastic? I am going to discuss. Perfect elastic supply is what? For example, Dove, little change in price, more supply. Dove sabun, Samsung mobile, Colgate, Pepsodent, etc. Okay, Dove, Samsung, Dove, Samsung, Colgate. Little change in price and more supply. Okay, so please take the screenshot of this video. Please take the screenshot. So in this video I have discussed what is elasticity of supply. Okay, types of elasticity. How many types of elasticity in this video I have discussed. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe of this video. Thanks for watching.